welcome back to Whiskey and Whit. I'm Whitney. In today's video, I have found so many new things at the Dollar Tree for Christmas that I want to share with you, so stay tuned. So I went out today on my lunch break just to see if the stores by me had put out any Christmas signs. I've been on the hunt. I've seen everyone online share that they've gotten them, especially that red truck sign, and I was on a mission. So if you follow me on Instagram, you know I was running around today. If you don't already, I will leave my handle down below because I like to share some of my finds early before they come out in videos. But I did share some of these items and I'm so excited to share them with you. Also, stay tuned towards the end of the video because I will do a full shop with me portion that includes a ton of footage from a lot of different stores. So stick around for that so you can see kind of what is out there, out and about at all the Dollar Trees. So without further ado, let's get into the haul. And I actually pulled this off a display. They had these up at the end of the different end caps that had Christmas stuff on it, and it was these super long picks. So I've been definitely looking at a lot of the picks that they have, but none of them have been calling my name. And these aren't 150% what I wanted. However, I think I can remove these kind of glitter pieces on it, and these will look amazing in a jug or in a vase with some cotton stems for the holidays. So I grabbed 4 of these. This is pretty much what they had, but they have cute little berries on them, and these would be amazing for a DIY, but I have a ton of little areas where I have eucalyptus and cotton stems and things around my house, so I thought for $1 these would be great. I don't mind the glitter on the pine cones as much, but I do not really want these little squiggly things, so I'm just gonna take some floral trimmers and just chop that off and call it a day. So stay tuned for my Christmas home decor tour to see how I end up using all of these in my house. The next thing I was excited to see was this tapestry placemat. Now I grabbed 2 of these, and what I'm gonna do with these is make a pillow like I did with those napkins back in the fall. So I've seen some other YouTubers doing that with these, and I thought that would be a great idea. So once I make these, I'll share them with you. I think this time around I'm gonna use hot glue instead of the iron-on transfer to see how that works. I've used hot glue to kind of seal some of the edges of these other pillows because with Sebastian like sitting on them, sometimes they've just kind of popped open a little bit. So I'm gonna take these 2 and I will show you that DIY when I make them. There's not a ton of stuff on here that screams Christmas, so I could leave this up through probably February with my snowman stuff, which you guys know I love things that I can leave out for a long period of time so I get my mileage worth out of it. So a $2 pillow here is super cute, and this is gonna be larger than what you're gonna find at the Target dollar spot. They had a couple different ones like a Santa, and they had like a poinsettia, which would be really pretty, but I went with the snowman on this little toboggan and thought this would be super cute as a pillow. All right, now we're gonna get into signs, and I have loved hearing from you guys that I've inspired you to look at Dollar Tree signs in a different way. Not only are they just as decor, but they can also be used for DIYs. So one of the first things I grabbed, one of these is gonna be for DIY and the other one's going to be just for decor, are these sleds. Now I love the snowman one, and because it says let it snow, they've got little buffalo check scarves on. I thought this was so cute. This would be really cute inside of a wreath. I've got some DIY wreaths coming up for the holiday season, so I'll definitely be using this. And then this guy I'm gonna use for a DIY, so stay tuned for that. If you see these out there and you like to DIY along with me, be sure to grab one of these because we will be making a sign without the cricket for Christmas. So be sure to grab one of these if you want to do that DIY. These next 2 signs, I grabbed 3 total, so 1 of the snowman and 2 of the Santa. And the first one is this snowman one that says there's snow place like home. I think this is just adorable as it is. Snowman, and I love how it's got this like on the sides that they've got little grooves, which made me think this would be awesome for a DIY. So that's why I grabbed these 2 Santa ones. They are cute, but he is full of glitter, and you guys know how I feel about glitter. I know I so appreciate you guys letting me know about the hairspray trick, but I think this is gonna be better served as a DIY. So again, if you like DIYing along with me, grab one of these because we will be DIYing with this in the future. When I see a cute sign or it has a cute shape, and it's a Santa and a snowman, I grab both, just in that way I've got different options for what I use in my house and what I DIY. So this I thought was so cute. It looks like a snow globe. They had a Santa version and a snowman version. The snowman version's got some whitewashed wood on it, and it says let it snow at the bottom, and then the Santa is red wood, like the red color wood with ho 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 at the bottom. They're kind of cartoonish, but they are super cute. So I shared these in my Instagram story. Again, if you don't follow me, head over there because that's where I'm sharing a lot of this stuff. And these are magnets. I was so excited to find these because I've never seen these at the Dollar Tree, that they have magnets. So this has Jingle Bells, Merry and Bright, Holly Jolly, Noel, Happy Holidays. Let me actually pop one of these open and show you guys what it looks like when it comes out. So you have this like sheet of magnets here, and then you just pop it out. So then this Happy Holiday just says holiday, but it grabbed some of these for both my house and for work on like my filing cabinet, because I thought these would be super cute, and they're a nice alternative to window clings, especially if you don't like to put those gel ones on or anything. These are awesome, and you'll see in the haul they also had a snowman version as well. You guys, you know that I've been on the hunt for red truck items from the Dollar Tree since September, since I've seen it online, since everything. So I haven't actually seen anything red truck at the Dollar Tree in person until today. And I was just so excited in the store, probably a little too excited. I'm glad I went by myself, because I would have probably been slightly embarrassed if I was with someone else, but I was so excited. So I ended up finding these wood plank signs, and I'm sure you've already seen them if you watch Dollar Tree hauls, because everybody is lusting after these things. But the red one with the truck says Home for the Holidays. These things are straight up glitter bombs, so this will need to be sprayed. And then also this cute one with deer, which says the most wonderful time of the year. So I thought these would be cute for wreaths on the wall. If I don't end up using the deer one, the back would be really cute for a DIY. So lots of different options here, but was really, really excited to see these, and I snatched them up before they were sold. Look how cute this is. So I know Target in their dollar spot has like a 4-set appetizer plate, but this is a little bit bigger than that. And what I really liked is they had a sticker on it that said cookies for Santa, that looked like a cookie with a bite out of it. And I honestly thought that that was gonna be on there permanently, and I didn't care because I wanted the red truck, but it comes off. So this is what the plate looks like. It is so cute. If you could find some of these would be awesome on top of like white plates or red plates, and a charger if you do like a setting at your house. But like, these are so pretty for just $1. So cute. They totally fit the aesthetic. I haven't found anything else other than that sign that's red truck, so I was really excited to find this. Little tip on this one. So I saw on the Dollar Tree website that this was part of a set with a Santa and a snowman plate. So I've been at other Dollar Trees where I've seen those plates before I checked the website, and I hadn't really dug through them because the front were a bunch of Santas and a bunch of snowmen. Now, once I checked the website, I saw that this was part of the set, and so today when I was in the store, I went in and actually looked through all of the plates, because this red sometimes appears like it's that Santa plate when it's this guy. What you need to do is check their website before you head in to know what's part of sets, so then you know what you're looking for and it's not just a blind thing. I've had a lot of you ask me on Instagram and on my videos, how do I find this stuff? Well, one, it's going to multiple Dollar Trees, but two, it's knowing online what they're offering and what's part of different collections. So then that way when you see one of the items, you can kind of look, and if not, you can ask them and say, do you have more of this in the back? Originally, I hated doing that, but now I have no shame, because if you don't do that, you're not gonna be able to find stuff. And that is all for this haul. I've definitely purchased a couple other things here and there during trips, but you guys will be seeing that coming up in Christmas DIYs. My Christmas DIYs will start on November 1st. That was the arbitrary start date I gave myself, so then that way I could kind of still enjoy fall, still enjoy Thanksgiving, but then also get a jump start on my Christmas project. So stay tuned for that. I know that was a ton of stuff, but I've been on the hunt for a lot of these items, so I've just been grabbing footage as I go because I know you guys like to see those things. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I so appreciate it, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!